Okay, moving along to the zoom function. If I press that now, this is the easiest one of these to talk about because its functionality is quite limited. But if you have a look at the position of the playhead in MixCraft here, let's put it in the middle of that lump of audio just there. If I press the previous arrow here, it will zoom the audio out. So it's a little counterintuitive in that sense, the way it works with the arrows here. But the scroll wheel, the jog wheel doesn't work for this, unfortunately, with the FaderPort HUI set up for MixCraft in particular. You'd have to be using PreSonus Studio 1 for that, but if I click next, it zooms back out again. So you do at least have some control over your zoom in and out in PreSonus on the FaderPort itself. So remember, left to zoom in and right to zoom out.